Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the camera remote shutter on the REDMI Watch 6. So if you want to take photos remotely from your phone by using your watch as a shutter, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing that we're going to do is open up the app center where all of the apps are, and then select the app with the camera icon, this one. So then it's going to ask you to open up the camera app on your phone. So just do that, open up your camera app. It works with even third-party apps. So just select your camera app, click Got It on your watch to confirm. And here we have the shutter. So basically, if we click the photo icon or the shutter icon, it's going to take a photo, as you can see. And then we have a timer too, we can change. So we can do 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or just turn it off. And that is pretty much how you use it. You can also do it with video. So you click it, it starts, and then you click it again, and it stops. And you can do this pretty much with every other mode on the device. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.